Hi everyone. Today we're tackling one of the most common data challenges in business, consolidating multiple reports or data sets. Today we're going to show you exactly how to combine 10 separate monthly sales files into one powerful master report. We have 10 sales reports which are between 15 and 80 rows long. Each file contains columns like date, product, sales amount, and the region. What's the challenge? The challenge is getting all this data into one cohesive master file without losing any information or creating duplicates, and also not doing any copy-pasting. To achieve our goal, we're going to use PowerQuery, and trust me, it's a game changer. To start, save all your Excel files in one folder like we have done here. Open up a blank Excel workbook or a workbook you're going to be working in. Then navigate to Data, get data from file from folder. Then browse to the relevant folder, select it, click Open. Excel will open up the connection and it will give you a preview of what it found. So here we've got 10 files, each of them is a sales report. Perfect. What we're going to click here is combine and transform data. That'll give us a quick pop-up window where we can have a quick look and do a bit of a preview in terms of what Excel finds for us. So you can see Excel shows that in the first file there are 15 records, and this is our little table. You can obviously change the setting here to include the entire data set. West 200 is fine. PowerQuery will combine all 10 files into a single table in a new worksheet. Look at that. So this is all our sales data, and we should have 400 rows. Checking that. Perfect. Of course, here you can edit column headings, rename as you require, but for our purposes, everything is fine. So click close and load. There we go. We've created a query. Excel has kindly combined all the records into one. You are done. That's it. You just created a dynamic report from 10 files in seconds. No VBA required, no manual effort in terms of copy and paste. So in just a few steps, PowerQuery combined 10 files for us into one table, saving you tons of manual work. Try this with your own data. For those that are still watching the video, a quick bonus tip: we can create a pivot chart from the table right away. We're going to create a new worksheet, and what we'll do, we'll show the product sales region, and we will launch units sold, and you can see that in this specific fictitious data set, each region has a product that is unique in terms of sales volume to that specific region. Interesting. That's it for now. Watch out for more helpful hints from Skilli. Goodbye for now.